Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make an age verification widget on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, if your site for some reason has certain age sensitive content, such as if it focuses on alcohol or anything other than that, which does require for people to be of age or adults, you might be interested in adding this widget to your site. Now, what we're going to be using is this Elf Site plugin, which is the Squarespace Age Verification plugin. Elf Site does have a lot of useful plugins for Squarespace. I do recommend you check them out. You can create an account. It's free, and most plugins are available for free. However, they do have some caveats, such as having the Elf Site logo if you're using the free version, but it doesn't really matter. Now, what we're going to click is create widget for free. It's going to take us down here, and you're going to select a template which you're going to be using. For example, I'll just use this one. This is pretty much exactly what I'm looking for. Click continue with this template. Minimum age, I'll set it to 18. Verification method, yes, no buttons. Date of birth, year of birth, depending on what you want place. And then once you're done with this, click add to website for free. It'll show you the embed code, or it'll create your widget first. And as you can see now, you can click on publish and select the free plan if you want to. If you want to, you can pay as well. That does unlock several benefits. Then just click copy code over here, and then what you can do is add it to your website by going into pages and then going down, click website tools. You can add code injection or custom CSS. I'll use the code injection, and then in the header, we're just going to add the code that we copied over, and then just click save. And now our site has this age verification plugin, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.